Sometimes you need to share something with only a few students. It might be differentiated work, an enrichment activity, makeup work, or an invitation to a study hall or support session intended for just a few students. Here's how to do it. Instead of choosing Publish to Section, select Publish to. By default, the task is published to every student in the section. If we switch from all to some, we can choose exactly who should receive it. Let's select just a few students. If this task is meant to remain private between you and these students, simply clear the Visible to Parents and Teachers option. Now, let's publish the task. Only those students will now see the task in their planner. Whether you're assigning differentiated work, sharing enrichment activities, posting makeup work, or inviting students to a support session, Studyo gives you complete control over who receives each task.